That's fine. This is the cruise we are going to board in today for 3 nights. It's really exciting. It's quite big cruise, P&O Adventure, Pacific Adventure. Next to the Opera House. Really good location here. This is the closer view of that cruise. I'm pretty much reached to the overseas terminal passenger from where the line will start the check-in. They are accepting here in the bag drop. That's where we are heading. All the bags can be dropped here. After dropping the luggage here, they check our boarding pass. Now we are entering into the terminal entry here. So this is where all the checking is happening right now. 4 of us, we need to check in through all the steps and then we are allowed to go inside the cruise. Did the check-in process. We got this P&O card. They took our photos and just asked some couple of questions and that's it. And check-in process is done. Now we are heading towards the next level. My card I have linked with my credit card, but rest of the members, if they want, they can top up with like cash these cards and can spend money on the boat. Hotels, because water is not allowed. There's plenty of water on the boat. Now heading towards the security gate. So we have done the security checks. Now we are heading towards the cruise now from this gate. This is the cruise. Now we are walking towards this lane. We need to go up to this lane and then go inside the cruise. We are at very last stage to enter into cruise. Desi, are you excited?
Yeah.
Here we go. Finally we are entering through this door. And this is the inside part of the cruise we just entering here. This is the common lobby area. I just entered into the cruise. This is the common lobby area. And I think people started having some food and drinks and everything. There's a casino there too. So it's time to explore the cruise and see what other things are. We are heading towards our room first time. Let's see where it is. 314 is the room. So this is our room. Open the room now. Open. So this is the room we are entering first time in a cruise. It's a very small room. Let's see what this room offers.
Hotel do you get us?
This is very small room. Tiny. I don't know how many square meter, but maybe let's 20 square meter only. It just has 4 bed in here and water. This is the water they gave. There's a TV here which you can watch. And telephone lines, hair dryer, some mini fridge there. There's a mini fridge. This side we have wardrobe. You can see a little bit wardrobe, some towels, some hangers. There's a safe locker here. You can lock your stuff in it. And this is the toilet. Like an aeroplane, you get a small toilet like that. You get very small toilet. And waters and all. And this is the mirror. And that's pretty much it is. Very small AC duct and all. And let's see what outside I can see from here. This is the view you can have from the outside. You can see the harbor bridge and circular Opera House also. Door is hardly wide where this briefcase can come in. This is the pantry where I think pretty much everything included in our tickets. So let's see what this offers. This is the pantry area and all these people are eating here. This is all you can eat as much as you want. There is no restriction here. So this is the some pastry. I think some Indian curry house. This is the curry house counter. All this Indian stuff here. This is the Nick and Ton. There's some garlic. This is the meat counter, fat cow. This is some Mexican, I think. Another one. This is all salad, fruits. We can have as much as we want. A lot of salads here. I think this is some drinks, soups and all. And there's some breads here. So these are the dessert options. It's really unlimited. Kids are keep eating plate after plate, and you can get so many items, whatever you like. These are all. Yeah. They have tea and coffee options as well. This machine has black coffee, white coffee and hot water, and it's hot water options here. It's pretty amazing to sit here in cruise and see the ferry and this big opera house. Everything you can see here. This is the level 14 next to the pantry where we have swimming pool and a lot of places you can sit and relax, and they have a spa option here as well in the hot water. Some table tennis here. Very wide open area, sport area. Keen we are currently. It's an open area. You can see the whole thing from here, like a harbor bridge as well. Like behind the scene, there's a harbor bridge. There's opera house here, and this is the surrounding of opera house. This is another pool here. This is also, I think, 16, level 16, and is an open sky bar here. Just walking around on the deck, and this is all open area where you can sit and relax and enjoy. There are some rides as well, water rides. You can see the rides here, which I think kids are already started lining up. And there's a cinema hall, cinema screener. So this is the cinema screen. I think they will play the movie after 5. This is the highest point you can come in this cruise, the top level. The view from here. You can see all these rides, harbor bridge, the train line, and this part is all the buildings, and this side is very VIP area where some priority people they go. They have exclusive tickets for their exclusive pool and all. This is where these slides come and finish, end up here. Green pipe comes and finish it here. And the blue pipe comes here. That's how they finish here. Floor, this sort of like a entrance they have, and the lifts. This is the level 15, so lift is here. So this is the shack for the kids playing area. They open pretty much 9 to till midnight. And so this is the PS5 they have, which you can play. This is the sitting area, all the sitting area, and bit of books for library for kids, and this, and these are some boards game they have, which kids can play, and again there's a TV to play, and there's some game here. There are a few games here. You can play some games in this one, I think, and they also run bit of activities like craft things and some exercise stuff and all. So this is pretty much the shark shack room, not very big, but I think it's sufficient for the small kids to have a youth center for 2 to 5 year old. They can have play here, so some sort of games for them. And this is the area small kids can play. So these are two club, HQ and HQ plus for teen. This is 14 to 17, and this is less than 17. So these two clubs are next. This is level 15. They have some beauticians shop here. This is I think the beauty parlor. There's a lot of stuff in it. This is I'm entering into the gym here. This is the open gym. Looking at outside, lot of machines, cross trainers. This is pretty much whole gym for everything. You can do whatever you like to do. Lot of treadmill machines, bunch of them actually. This is the main guest service area, where you can see some of the shopping options as well, and it's pretty much just relaxing here. It's the main like a reception kind of thing, right? And has some music playing all the time, and quite few shopping. These are the other shopping option you can have here. This is the shopping. I think it's closed right now. It will be open. These are other shopping options here. This is the shopping option. Just moving now, started moving. the inside view of Dragon Lady restaurant for first night complimentary dinner. This is the table and chair we have allocated to us. This is the night view of the pool area, indoor pool area. Pretty quiet in the 6 a.m. in the morning. Yesterday night was like dazzling. Thousands people dancing and singing. But today morning is pretty quiet here and cleaners are cleaning now. We're just waiting for sun to appear so that we can capture the sunrise. See the vastness here. Everywhere, wherever you see, you just see the sea only. No house, no building, no town, no city, no village. What you see is just the sea everywhere. And yeah, it's just 6 a.m. in the morning next day, waiting for sun to be up here. This is the auditorium here inside the cruise where they play the shows.
You're more than welcome. Okay? If you want to add the swivel, can I go do a swivel?
How to dance tonight.
Okay?
That's what is going on
So
right
you need to
now.
have your weight.
This is Essential General Store, has medications and some snacks, but everything is pretty expensive. This is kids play area. Every game is like $1.20, $2.50. That's a lot of games here for kids to play. This is another singing performance in of the hotel going on right now. Second day. So today, second day, we have a dinner, complimentary dinner in this waterfront restaurant. We are just entering. Every other people to come. This is the surroundings of this restaurant. The start of this. Where all the kids activity they perform, you know, climbing on this rope. This is stone one, and there's a big ride, pipe ride also. Lion get queued up here, so that's all the kids area, fun area. The adventure park, the pass which we talk about, they sell here. It's a bit of marketplace here. You can buy the jewelries and some photographs, jewelries. This is the photograph shop where you can buy the photographs. Image studio, some shops, photograph shops here. Today is our third complimentary dinner, Angelo Italian restaurant. This is how it look like. So we're going to grab our seat and have the dinner here. So fun going on in the restaurant right now. Oh my god. So many white hanky spots out of this restaurant.
I'm not talking about abuse now. I'm not talking about discipline. But of course, I used to wonder growing.
This boat seems help to dock this big cruise. I don't know what this boat is. Never seen it before, but looks very impressive and seems like it's going to help to the docking this cruise. Very beautiful harbor view in the morning, 6 a.m. from the cruise. You can see entire city from here. The Luna Park as well. So beautiful, very beautiful. This side is the where the ship is going to dock. Overseas passenger terminal, as you can see. Ship is almost going to touch this lane very quickly. Ship is docking now. You can see the guys tidying up the rope, and this side also. This is almost going to attach to the ship. This passenger walk. So it's pretty much docked now next to the rock market. This side is harbor. So finally, completely we are out, heading to homes. This is the ship. Can't show you the whole ship in this frame, but it was really amazing tour. 3 days, 3 nights. I'm heading to home now.